You know, I've been long gone from amateur boxing, but I'm just grateful that my nephew, Moni, is promoting amateur boxing as well. During our time, siguro most of you were born yet. We revived amateur boxing. Siguro only a few you can count by the fingers in your one hand. Namely, si Lourdes, a professional. Until now, they're still helping. Yung si Aldiger, from si Ala, yung matanda, the old man. Tapos there are a few pockets of gymnasiums in Manila where yun, ragtag talaga. Tulad ni L&M Gym, where Pacquiao, I'm sure you all know Pacman, started off. Tsaka yung amin, because I, as president of amateur boxing, was mandated to promote boxing all over the Philippines. During our time, we broke so many records. We ended the medal drought in the Olympics, in the Asian Games, in the SEA Games. Kaya, I was sharing some sweet memories with our good friends who will officiate later. I'm so happy you're promoting amateur boxing. And in my own little way, buti nga naalala pa nila ako, we would support, andyan naman si Chris at saka si Pick, magagaling na boxer. Of course, friends, Franz, congratulations to you. I won't say much kasi, you know, I can talk for hours on end. Ang nais ko lang sabihin sa inyo that I did my part in nation building as a administrator of sports as president of amateur boxing. And also I was once a vice president of the Philippine Olympic Committee. I was also a executive committee member of the AIBA, and I was the secretary general of the Federation of Asian Amateur Boxing, wherein we started women's boxing. Kami po ang nag-umpisa ng women's boxing sa Asia. Kaya when it was the turn of the Philippines to host the 2005 Southeast Asian Games, meron pong 5 timbang na sinama sa women's boxing. So it is through these gyms na you promote the sport. I'm thanking you guys, not because you're my relative, kasi kasama mo siya, but because you're helping the sport that we love so dearly. Ito po, if you will notice, itong sport na to medyo walang pera. We've been, ayan, alam nila. Before, we would pay them 300, 400 for a day's work. Pupunta po kami sa probinsya. That's why it flourished then. Because I used to have a program called Go for Good. It was a televised program wherein we go to the farthest parts of the Philippines, from Lanao del Norte, pupunta kami ng Batanes, pupunta kami ng kung saan-saan, just to look for talents. So at least kayo, you have a ground here, wherein those interested in boxing have a place to stay. So once again, I'd like to congratulate you, Moni, Rans, Chris, ayun, si Pete. And, baliktad. Mas kilala ko yung bata. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And, you know, I was a former congressman also, one of the toughest neighborhoods in the Philippines, sa Tondo. So, if I can be of any help, kung kailangan yung sasaksak ng tao. Basta ba, I'm just kidding, basta boxing, amateur boxing. Kahit pa paano, I still have a little bit into it. So, I'm going all out for you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. And congratulations.